Hello friends, in the last lecture we learned the elements of cost. Now in present lecture we are going to advantages of cost accounting. We know very well the solving of limitations of financial accounting. For that, second branch of accounting developed which were known as an cost accounting. We also know very well the financial accounting can't provide per unit cost, per unit production cost. This is the most important limitation of financial accounting. And for solving this limitation, cost accounting developed. That means solving limitations of financial accounting, it is the first advantage of cost accounting. Now, next, reducing cost by comparing budgeted cost with the actual cost. By applying the method of cost accounting, cost accountant always compare the actual cost with the budgeted cost. And when cost accounting compare the actual cost with the budgeted cost, analysis provided to the management and management takes some decision by knowing at which stage production cost increased. And after that management takes some decision for decrease the production cost. That means the second advantage known as an reducing cost by comparing budgeted cost with the actual cost. Next one, increasing production by comparing record of output per man, per unit, per machine. This is the third advantage. We know management or manager always provide some information to the workman, provide some information to the machine operator for increasing production. Suppose, for example, as per standard, one workman produce 10 unit per day. But actually, the one man produces only 7 units per day. At that time, accountant and manager provide some information to the management at which stage workman worked less than the standard. At that time, management gives some information, provides some instructions to the workman for the actual standard working, for increasing production. Next, providing fair and accurate performance record. We know financial accounting provide only the information related to the expenditure, related to the income, related to the profit or loss. But financial accounting can't provide the correct information about the performance. Actual performance of machine, actual performance of man, work, actual performance of labor. And cost accounting provide the actual information and fair information to the management. That means cost accounting provide fair and accurate performance record to the management for taking some decision for the development of industry, for the development of business. Establishing quality standards. Next advantage, we know that standard is most important for the development of any business or any industry, and for that some information required by the management for taking the correct decision, and such type of information provided by cost accounting and which were helps to the management for establishing quality standards. Next, developing sales and pricing strategies. Management know the actual production cost as well as management know the actual production cost at each stage or each process of the production, and after that management takes some decisions for reducing the production cost at each stage, and after reducing the cost, management provide some information to the sales manager related to the number of unit sales, as well as management takes some decision for earning profit, and after that management takes some decision for the pricing strategies. Next, cost control and cost reduction. We know that cost control is essential because today's production sells in the next day or next month, sometimes in the next year also, as per the commodity. And all these things related to cost. In present, raw material for 100 rupees per unit. That means the total production cost rupees 200 plus 10% profit. That means selling price rupees 220. But in the next month, cost of raw material reduced, which were from 100 per unit to 50 per unit. At that time we can't sold the finished goods for rupees 220, and therefore cost control is essential, as well as cost reduction also essential. And for cost control and for cost reduction, some information is required for taking decision to the management. And such type of information provided by cost accounting, this is an advantage of cost accounting. In this lecture, we discuss the advantages of cost accounting. In second lecture, we are going to learn the limitations of cost accounting. Thank you.